Okay, everyone. So, I've been thinking these past weeks about how to have our micro teaching classes online. Well, I do still believe that we need to have an interactions between students and teacher, but because the situation is so not supportive. So the situation is not supportive for us to have teacher and students interactions in the classroom. So then I think that I also need to equip you all with the ability to create an online materials, or at least to conduct classes through online. So there are several things that I'm going to share to you. The first is introducing quizzes to you and how you can use this as a very fun and interactive ways of doing quiz or checking the materials, even though everybody is at their own house. Yeah, everybody's at home, but you can still do this quiz, this challenging quiz. And then I'm going to share to you also how to create this kind of video. So a video in which you present and show your face at the same time. Okay. This slides I'm going to attach to you as well was presented when I was invited as a speaker in SMK Seni Okir Tangab. So I'll introduce to platforms. They are Kahoot and Quizizz. But since Kahoot for me is not really flexible when everybody's at home, because you need to see the questions on the screen. So Kahoot should be done when everybody's gathered in one place. But Quizizz, I've tried. You can still do a fun quiz, or let's say an exam, when everybody is at their own house, sitting and doing things at their own house. You can still do it. So here it is, Quizizz. You can click on Google. Yeah, Quizizz. The spelling is Q-U-I-Z-I-Z-Z, double Z. Okay. So on the first result that it shows, that is the Quizizz that I meant here. It's free and any educators or students can use it. So this is the first the welcome page that you will arrive when you land on the Quizizz website. So you need to sign up. It's free, so don't worry, so you can sign it up. And then if it is you or the teacher and you inform your students to join, you can also go to join again if you want to join quiz. Yeah. So here I'm telling you as a teacher, so if you would like to create a quiz, you can go to Quizizz and sign up. This is the this is how it looks if you go to the sign in with Google account. Yeah, it's easier to sign with the Google account. So use your accounts to sign in, and then this is how it looks. So it's very flexible. I mean, it's very helpful for you as a teacher, because you can simply type what kinds of lessons that you want to teach in your class. So you can just type it here. There are plenty of it. So study from math, and then arts, languages, mathematics, anything. So these quizzes are made by teachers or educators. They can post it in quizzes, and you with the title of it, you can search what you want to teach to your students. Yeah. So here's the account, the profile. You can find a quiz. My quizzes means that the quiz that you create by yourself. Then you can browse yourself when you have the account. Yeah. So create a quiz is the things that you should try. Yeah. Create a quiz or choosing a quiz that already exists. It's both okay. Okay. Thank you for listening. So I do hope that you can try it yourself at home, creating a quiz. But before explaining, before you make a quiz, you really need to deliver the materials, right? The materials should be delivered like this one, or you can make a video of your own explaining in front of a whiteboard or a wall, for example. It's up to you, but the material should be there before you go on to the quiz. Okay?